Because I see one woman that called himself goodness, I think is he kindness, I don't know what her name. She came out on social media to talk nonsense, and people threatened her, and she came back again to say she have went to document every documentary, all the people that threatened her, that she have went and document them. And this message is for some people like that, and also for her, and for anybody that will try to repeat the same thing. Let me tell you something you don't know. As matter stands in Nigeria now, documenting anything does not help any matter. Rather, it will put you into more bigger problem. If you die, you don't die. If they kill you today, they don't kill you today. Nobody cares about you. Let me tell you one thing, don't know. Nigeria don't know you. You can take your money to go to any office to say you want to document anything. It's only your money they want. When you give them the money, they will collect it and chop. They will collect it and chop, and they will not give you, they will not even mind you whether they come and kill you in your house. Highest they will come and say, they say police, some people kill people for here, they will run, come there, come do investigation, do their nonsense investigation, they will run. You will not see them again. If you want the case, you can bring it to their court. Finish. And by that time you have died, though. By that time you don't dare for the other side. Nobody remember you again. Stop using because of maybe you have 10 million in your account, or you have 50 million in your account, or because you can buy Benz, or because you can buy Lexus to drive. You'll come out on social media to lament anyhow, to talk blah 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 blah. As it stands now in Nigeria and a Biafran case, anything can happen. Somebody head can come out for his head, for his body, and for granted at any time. And when you die, you have died. And in some case that you should know, you do not use because you have your smartphone, or you have your laptop. You come out on social media because you want to make money, because you want to create content. You begin to talk anyhow. You begin to talk what you cannot stand. When the heat will start burning. You, in terms of Biafra matter, before you put your mouth, if still you will talk against it, just say something that will sweet. I'm just giving some of our people, some of our brothers and sisters, some sense, because you may think that nothing is happening. That after all, nobody know where you are living. Nobody know where you are staying. Maybe you are staying in a banana land, or you are staying with a president in a president street. Let me tell you. Now your brother na your enemy. Your brother fit tell if anybody find tomorrow to kill you now, your brother fit tell people how to get you. Your sister fit tell, your friend fit tell. Not everybody you have as a friend loves you. And that is why you must mind how you talk, because when you think that nobody will give your secret, nobody will. Don't you know that if somebody want to kill somebody, somebody can use complete week. They track somebody, they take time, they monitor somebody. When you move. It is in every car way they pass you, where the driver behind you, where they drive your back, where they. It is in all of them they go their way. Some of them they get what they do for main road. They will use because of one person spend millions to make sure they can get you. Make you know how they talk. Instead in a Biafra struggle now, the way matter stands now, instead you will talk against Biafra. It's better you talk against Nigeria, because when you talk against Nigeria, nobody will come after you. Nobody will even come after you. They hear me? So nobody, because many people now are angry. Many people they vex because of what Nigeria did to them. And when it's only thing the only hope they have now is Biafra. And when they talk against Biafra, anybody can stone you, anybody can hit you, anybody can kill you, anybody can crush you with a car. You understand? Everybody's angry now, because the way things stands now, everybody's angry. People are angry. People are not feeling good. People are not living good. People are not normal with their brain anymore, because they have think and lose control. They can do anything to make that. And as a brothers and sisters out there, the only advice I can give to you is that do not use because of the little money you have in your accounts and begin to boast and begin to make fire that you cannot quench when it will start burning. Because many of you believe that when you have money, you have a DPO number, you have a inspector of police number, or you have a chief of army staff number. Let me tell you, when the heat will start burning, even the chief of army staff will run for his own life, because this is a matter of life and death. You understand? That chief of army staff, that DPO that you have his number, he will put call, say boys go there. When boys go there, they begin hear sound of gun. If you run because of their own family, they cannot take because of you and lose their own life. Then anything will happen to you will happen to you. Not use because of. Never you trust when you have money, when you have everything, you have money. Never you put your hope in that your money, and put hope in the people's contact you have. Maybe you have people that have mouths in the government, because those people, they can disappoint you. When matter begins, they can disappoint you, and anything will happen to you. It's a very quick advice I want to give to our people, because a lot of things I have been seeing on social media for how many days now, for starting since on Monday, because that on Monday here, Nigeria came here with bigger and so we no get chance to talk to anybody. So now I say today, make I just quick give our brothers and sisters and our mothers and our fathers out there this very important message. Instead, you will put yourself in problem. It's better you keep your mouth shut if you are not supporting what Biafrans are doing. And you are a Biafran or you are a Nigerian or wherever you believe. I'm not saying that you should not believe in any way, because this is that was a time that I used to tell you that you should not believe in it. Now, in any way where you want to believe it. Now, last we will know who be who. So keep your mouth shut. If you don't know it, just pim when you know, because you may think that nobody is seeing you. People are seeing you. Make you not. People are seeing you. Even both people are seeing you. And when your matter go reach for people table, we not like what they do. They go table am for you, and when they table am, omo, you go collect am woto. You will receive am hot. Make I tell you, now they see police they carry gun every day. Some of you now, because why you see they talking now, because you never stand for where they shoot gun well. Who be that? Take am easy, ja, we dey go, my brother. I welcome. Good job. So my people are beg. Make you no go take because of one thing where you don't get for your account, begin to misbehave, and that thing will begin to deceive you. Because maybe because police they carry one AK-47, they follow you for back. You go think say you don't get power that if anybody stop you for road, police go shoot gun. Let me tell you something. Even the one where the police will carry the release self, you know, go fit stand hear the sound. You don't faint. So make you know they use on a hand, go carry on a cloth, keep away on a hand, no go reach. That lady now, she dey talk ranting. Instead, she go swallow pride and apologize, say, I am sorry that I made a mistake, that is a slip of tongue or whatever case die. She dey claim say she dey inside car. My husband now go dey way in there, and you know go know say wife don't they find buy problem. Later now, a man go using head carry him. And you where they marry, always warn your wife. Not every matter you go allow your wife making a chook mouth. Because when the matter go bust now, you go bust your head, you go bust for your head, bust for your children's head, bust for your family member head. You will be husband, you will be wife. When you see your husband, they talk what you not supposed to talk. I beg, warn him, make you no go find problem where you can swallow two of you. Because that woman now, she dey just the rant anyhow. Only one granite now, you go dash her for head now, she don't die with that. Matter close, nobody know, nobody cares, nobody, she go. But she did then they do buga. Maybe she thinks say this one a woman matter. She don't know about nation. This is a nation. We talk about nation. In terms of when somebody is seeking for nation, the person cannot kill whoever dies. You understand me? Whoever dies, whether 100 people die or whether your mother die, if you are a revolutionary, you will understand what I'm telling you. You don't care whoever dies. Like me as I'm here, and I don't care whoever dies. If today say then go, if today my whole family buy, so be it. As long as a Biafra come. So and you now where they way life, your life still sweet you way they go from club to club, from hotel to hotel, they flex your money, they enjoy your money. Keep quiet, they enjoy your money when you know one problem, because when you go price problem, when you go feel buy, when it begin to happen, you go begin to call God, Jesus, because now waiting as I have to call that, make it come save you. But when that sleeping lion they sleep, you not allow me in the sleep, you go wake up. When he begin pursue you go begin cry. So I beg my people, sorry for distraction. So you know go use because of the things. Respect yourself. In a Biafra struggle, we don't care whoever dies, we don't care whoever buy, we don't care whatever anything. What we need is Biafra. So and for you there, we don't know you. You waiting say maybe when you enter our trap, when you go find problem, when you go find us trouble, you begin to speak when your hand enter for burning pot, you begin to speak Igbo, you begin to speak Biafra language, you begin to, we don't know you. Make I tell you now. But if you respect yourself, we will respect you. That is how we behave. We don't know anybody. As long as say we dey here now, we don't know anybody. So respect yourself. And when you want to talk, no they mention, no they mention any our prime minister name and our leader name. If you mention anybody name, if now my name you mention, if you begin to mention Baron name, say Baron do this one, Baron, that one a come case. But when your madness, when your own madness don't reach to say to insult our prime minister or to insult our leader Mazinam Dikan, at that time you be like say don't they knock for the door of your death. You understand? If he for those of you who like to go use the ESN name to go do robbery and to do bad thing all the angle, if that one self now you know need the way your hand enter you go collect. But or you ways sabi how to talk well. If you use anybody name for IPOB talk, but coming in terms of two people I want to mention, and you see Simon Ekpa our prime minister, and our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Okukano. That two people. When in near that place, now that time you don't find problem, and we no go messy for you. This one, even though it requires make your family member all of them go down, you go down. So who is saying that you don't understand what I'm saying? Okay, let me repeat what I was saying because maybe you can still watch the live from beginning so that you'll understand. I said, quick one. If you are out there and you are among of those that used to talk against Biafra, against Biafra struggle, against anything concerning Biafra, and you used to talk against our leader, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, and our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, suspend them because that side, now that side will bring problem. Suspend them if he talk about me, if he insult me, if he talk anything about me. But for that two people I mentioned, I suspend them because for starting since on Monday I think, Monday we be sit at home. A lot of people were saying nonsense, talking blah blah blah. That Simon put a sit at home, this and that, this and that, this and that, whatever they are saying. So, and there is a lady that made me to bring this case up because she insulted our prime minister, and after saying that, she came out on social media again to say she went that people threatened her, and she went to document every threatened and threats her, and she have documented everything in case if anything happened. That is why I came out on social media to warn most of people that behave like her. It's not because of her, and this message is also for her. That they should suspend something like that because do not use because of your level in government of Nigeria or your level of money or your level of your business or level of whatever. That one is your own pocket and your own family, and bring it concerning a case between Nigeria and Biafra because this is a matter of life and death, and it's a big case that is bigger than you. It's a big case that can swallow somebody's head, and they have been swallowing people's head. And if you don't want your own head to enter, respect your old age or your younger age and pack yourself one side and come on head. This is a big problem. It's a nation matter. So, and when you know that you cannot stand the heat, kukuma, pack yourself and begin to enjoy your millions and millions and flex yourself. Avoid. I come out today, they attack me on one road. I come out here because people are angry. Many people have realized their mistake that they went in a wrong way by going to do voting, and they are now angry angry for Nigeria. So when you speak against Biafra, they might get an angry and stone you or stab you to death or do you anything. They might threaten you and they can do it because Nigeria have failed them because we won them before now and they refuse. So that is what I'm explaining. You that was asking me, God win, God win. So I think God with us, God with us, Oba, God with us, Abu. It's you that I because of you that is because of you. That's why I repeat what I was saying. So let me continue where I stopped before. In case if you have any question to ask me, because I don't used to have the time before, but let me give that opportunity today. Just write it, so do not request because I will not pick you. Just write it. Okay, but if you want to request, you can request because the light is not here. It will not show my face. You can request and I will pick you. If you have anything to ask me or you have anything to contribute on what I'm saying, you can come up. Let me do the way I used to do before when I used to broadcast steady because I still know my friends, but some of them have run away from me. Some of them have forgotten me because of I do not give them much attention anymore. But it's not my fault. It's for your own good and for my own good too. My brother, good evening. How is your day? How is your family? How is your everything about you? How is everything about you? You know, that is the time I used to quarrel people, shout, talk. Now I don't have that time. Now is when I give you advice, you know, take them. You go wait for anything to happen. But now we work we speak with a different spirit and we act with a different spirit. My second name is good and bad. I'm good and bad. So when you bring good, I use good for you. When you bring bad, I use bad for you. I love all of you and I care for you and I love Biafra. I ask my God that if I'm coming this world again, if I die today, tomorrow, or die any day, and I'm coming back to this world again, I'll come back to Biafra. You know why? Because I too like Biafra. I love Biafra. Biafra is a big name. Biafra is a big nation. Biafra is all. Biafra is beyond what you can explain. Biafra is a blessing. For being a Biafran, you are a blessing to people that are seeing you. So some of you don't know yourself. That is why some of you are making mistake to support darkness, and I believe that some of you have realized your mistake after some months now, and some of you are still moving because some of you, I don't know how your brain be. I don't know whether your brain na block or been a RFI, cow breast now they put for them. So, you're welcome, you're good people. I love Biafrans. I love you all, my people. If you have any question, you can ask me. Or you have anything that you don't understand. Because many people, instead they will ask question, they will not ask question. Later they will go out and begin to talk different thing. If there is anything you are not understanding into this Biafra struggle, maybe you are a Biafran, maybe you are not a Biafran, but you are interested to know, because some people are confused what is going on, what is really happening, because of Nigeria is evil, and some people that believe in it is evil, because it's only evil person will believe in evil, and that is why some of them is not saying the truth, and many people that cares to know the truth and the lies are getting it wrong. They don't know where to stand. They don't know where to start. They don't know what to say. They don't know what to contribute to the matter. So maybe you are hearing my voice or used to listen to me, but you don't really understand what is going on, but you want to know. Please kindly ask me any question you want, and I will answer you if they permit me to ask. If the question is what I can answer you, but if the question is not what I can answer you social media here, then I will drop number that you used to call me, then I will answer you the question. Finish. This is we are making peace. Nigeria, when our leader started, our leader called Nigeria and said, come, let us reason together, let us talk one-on-one day game. And according to people with the street, he say, Nigeria government, come, make we reason one-on-one day game, make we see how we do, make everybody begin to live like a human being, begin to enjoy themselves as a citizen. They say, no, I beg, we don't need you, I beg, come on for one side. Which one? Our leader say, I beg, man, come now, this is now waiting go favor all the whole citizens, both the poor people and both the rich people. And say, lie, say, nah, bam. Okay, our leader say, okay, kedu otu si wecho has na ha chohozi na ha chodi our leader. Our leader say, okay, so badro. Na buru na choho. Na ehunu ga-eme mezie na ebe dị ụta ka anyị wee nọrụzie ụta ahụ. Ruo ebe dị ụta. Asị mba na ha chọdị. Our leader say, ka ha si wecho, asị ka ha nọrọ ụta. Our leader say, mba. Na ọ ga-achọkwa ka ha nọrọ ụta na ụta adịghị mma. Na ụmụ nwanne anyị ọ na-ezere anya fụ na Africans na-atazi afụfụ. Ọ bụghị sọsọ ndị Igbo, ọ bụghị sọsọ ndị Biafra, ọ bụghị sọsọ ndị what our leader is fighting for. Let me use English because some people would like to hear me. What our leader is fighting for is not only for Biafrans. He's fighting for the whole black race. He's fighting for the whole black people. He's fighting, but it's only people that will understand him. That is why he started with Biafra. Because when you want to lay a foundation, when you want to build a house, you will start laying foundation. You will start where it will be easier for you to finish to start. That is why he starts from Biafra land, where we can understand him, and back him up to reach where he's going. You understand? When Biafra is liberated, the whole black race is liberated. If Biafra come today, Nigeria will also live with happiness because our leader will also be giving them access to everything that Biafra's own. You understand? But because of their evil mind, because of their evil entity, because of the evil agenda they have in their mind, they are thinking a different thing that our leader wants to punish them or whatever. No, our leader meant well for them. Our leader meant well for every black person, for every black man and woman and children out there. But because of evil mind of Nigerian people, that is why they think that our leader wants to overthrow them or to intimidate them. No. You see the problem there? Our leader meant well for them. And if you are hearing me, maybe you are hearing me from South Africa, or you are hearing me from Ghana, or Togo, or Cotonou, or Zambia, or anywhere in Africa, you understand? Make an inquiry and read the history of Biafra and Nigeria, then you will understand what I'm telling you. We Biafrans have tried every humanly possible to make sure that Nigeria and Biafra live together with peace. And that is why we Biafrans focus on business, and we focus on doing our business to make sure that whether government provide or government is not providing, that we're enjoying. But at the time, Nigeria begin to oppress us, even when we allow them to operating, to manage and to use our oil, to use everything that God used to bless us. And still yet, they are intimidating us with those things. That is why our leader said, no. These people, they do not mean well for us. They want us to die. You see? Why I'm explaining all these things, I'm just want to brief some mistakes that some people are making. Because even some of our people, some of our brothers and sisters that do not know their left and right, that are doing business out there, they don't even know what our leader is doing for them. But instead, they will be thanking God that God has bring somebody like our leader to come and save us from this darkness. They are busy even putting confusion and troubles and supporting Nigeria with their evil plans against Biafra. But I believe that some people I have opened, because many people believed that Nigeria is going to do what is in their mind. But unfortunately, Nigeria failed them. But very soon, many people will still understand, because our leader told you guys that Biafra is the last miracle on earth, and some of you have forgotten. And Simon come and told you people that He knows the day Biafra will come, and some of you have forgotten. Let me tell you something you don't know. What we are doing is a spiritual something. We do not just come out. We come out because God called us to come and save the land. And we must save the land, and you will not stop God not to restore this Biafra. Because it's not we, it's God that want to restore it. We are just a material that God is using to restore it. And God will not allow it to hurt us. Anything that you will do that will affect us, God will not allow it to succeed in it. Rather, it will give us the power and the opportunity and the strength and the energy and the material and everything we need to make sure we use it to conquer you and restore the land He wants. So, what makes you to think that by supporting Nigeria in their evil entity, you will overthrow God, as in you will twist God order? Biafra, let me tell you something. If you really know, if some of you claim that you worship God, that you worship Jesus, that you worship this, that you go to church, and at this level, you are still believing that Nigeria will win God, because it's like Nigeria is trying to challenge God. Some of you even read a history between Pharaoh and Israel people. So and you after reading all those things, and you are seeing what is going on between Nigeria and Biafra, and your mind is not telling you something, it means that you are very stupid. You understand? I'm sorry for mentioning that word, because just that sometimes when I'm speaking like this, I will get angry. Because some of our people are supposed to understand this, because this is a simple matter. This is a simple something to understand. But because of some of them, their brain is filled up with lies and propaganda and evil things. That is why they can never reason like a human being. I love you guys. That is why I'm here. Many people love you that are here inside this forest with me. But the same you will still go out there to tell Nigerian military that you know one of ESN family, you know one of their, you know where your mother live, you know this before you know, they will go and begin to burn innocent people's house. Let me tell you, immediately somebody become an ESN or Biafra Liberation Army. You understand? That person automatically a different person, and he do not belongs to his family anymore. He now belongs to God Almighty. He's not a material of God. He's not an equipment of God. So, and for you to begin to go and burn their people family, it means that you don't even know what you are doing, because somebody that abandoned his children or abandoned his wife or his mother or his parents and enter here, do you think that person still take his family member as a family? He's not a God's property like me now. I'm not a God property. God owns me and God controls me. God protects. God will take me and put me wherever I will go. God have chosen me to walk this walk. By giving Nigerian military information about my family, is like intimidating my families, because them too don't even know. They don't even know where I am. They don't even know my whereabouts. And sometimes I see some of our people as they are not even, God not supposed to allow that kind of people to exist in this world. That is why I keep on saying that. Let me repeat it again. Whenever you are talking against Biafra, do not mention Simon or mention Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because that is only that is the only thing you will do to affect we. And when you talk anything that makes them to remember you, like when you talk, when you talk, lament anyhow, and you make them to remember you, to say enough is enough. That means we will have remembered you, and we will table your matter, and it's not going to be easier for you out there. I'm begging our people, I'm begging the Biafran people, I'm begging the whole people that call themselves Nigeria, or people, whoever you must be. Maybe you are not in Nigeria and you are thinking that, let me tell you something. Whenever you begin to challenge Biafrans, if you are in outside the country, and you are there, and you are there causing confusion, and God want to punish you, God want to hand you over to us so that we will torture you small. He will do something that will make you to come back, and we will catch you. And when we catch you, you yourself, you will not even know that it's going to be like that. But when you will know, is when it's too late. And by that time, you no go fit do anything again. So I am begging everybody, if you love your life, if you love your family, if you love yourself, if you love just kindly respect yourself, and do not cause problem for your family. Do not bring problem to your family by speaking against Simon or speaking against our leader. Those people, they are bigger than you. If you come in terms of money, you that is claiming that you have money, you cannot challenge our leader in terms of money. No politician in Southeast, be you who, no matter the kind of amount of money you will have, upon all the stealing and upon all the robbery and upon all the scamming, some of them are scamming to thieving money. You cannot challenge our leader in terms of money. If our leader, like, his money is his problem now, you will not even reach him quarter. But he take all he have, he abandon all he have, he take it, he don't even care. He makes sure that he's doing something that will make you to live a good life. Or Simon is a rich man, he's doing well, but he do not take those things as anything. He abandon it and make sure that he he puts all his money and his strength and his time to make sure that he give us, he help God. He support God work to make sure that he accomplish God's agenda for Biafra. And you now, you Mokoko, when you know your left and right self. Some of you say when you hear sound of knock out, you go run enter on that bed. Now you go just come out on social media now. You go they talk. Some of them when their husband they don't give them buy car for them, you go see them, they go there for car, they find trouble. They find trouble. Tomorrow, if you pass tomorrow, then just fire one bullet for your tire and they flat. You go begin to talk, say they attack you, I'm robber, attack you, this one attack you. But they use your mouth, they find problem. They use your mouth, they find trouble. You will be man. If they do your business, if they go well, if they after when you do, you go one junction, drink smoke, enjoy yourself. That one no reach you. Now to go they find trouble, to go they knock hand for trouble, to go they hit door for trouble. Now that one now you like when the trouble say okay, yeah, let's do it now. You begin complain, say your enemy is after you, people is after you. Maybe you go begin to find somebody go blame for your area of your business and him send the people. But when they talk blah blah blah, when they talk anyhow on public, you know say I they see you. And as for some of you, where they go stand for beer parlor, they talk against Biafran, they talk against ESN. Let me tell you one thing you people don't know. ESN is in everywhere. ESN is in your backyard. ESN is in your business area. ESN is inside the market. ESN is in everywhere. So do not think that I'm telling you that ESN is there. Maybe you go and begin to point somebody, say na him. No, I don't tell you that one. Maybe somebody they doing business. Maybe because they support Biafra struggle, you go say na that person be ESN. No, what I'm saying that ESN is there because ESN have ears all over the world, everywhere, all the angle. And do not speak against them because when you speak against them, and we table your matter, your problem don't finish. We will help you solve that trouble. I'm begging all of you, my people, my great people, the people of Biafrans. I love you so much. I love you guys so much. There is no people that I love like Biafrans. And that is why I'm here. And as you, only thing you will do for me that will make me to be happy is respect yourself and always, instead you will speak against Biafra, speak against Nigeria, nothing will happen. You understand? Because when you speak against Nigeria, nothing will happen. But when you speak against Biafra, and that time you go buy market, we no go fit buy. Because Biafra is the only thing. Biafra, there is nothing anybody, not even a spirit, will do to stop Biafra. Adamazi, you are welcome. You are welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I recommend you. I recommend you. I recommend you. I recommend you. I recommend you, my love. I recommend you. I recommend you. I appreciate. Let me continue. Adamazi, I would like to know you. Yeah, I would like to know you. How will I do it? And how I will do it? Just send me a message. I will drop my number for you. Send me a message, DM me. I will send my number to you. Let's talk. I recommend you. Let me quickly say something again. Hey, sorry, something I remember. And see, some people they always say ESN be criminal, ESN they come and rob. Let me tell you, ESN no get time to rob anybody. There is no any amount of money that you will have that will attract ESN to come and rob you. No. ESN is not a criminal. ESN, we Biafra government is taking good care of us. They are providing anything we need. They are providing all we seek. They are providing everything we require. And there is nothing will push us to go and rob. And when people rob you, when you don't know people that rob you, do not call ESN because there are many type of armed robbers in Nigeria that intimidate and rob people. You understand? There are different kind of. If you go to Nigeria have population. That is how the criminality and the abomination inside is big, and that is how it's scarred. So do not think that whenever somebody rob you, or whenever somebody snatch your phone, or whenever somebody beat you, or whenever somebody intimidate your family member, you will stay for where you are and begin to lament that ESN doing this. ESN do not have your time. The only people we look after is Nigeria forces. That is the only people we have problem with. All Nigerian police, Nigerian DSS, Nigerian army, all the whole Nigeria, for both the people call themselves Biafran. That is the people we have problem with. So as you that is going your normal business, only thing you will do is respect yourself. Do not look for trouble. Respect yourself and always obey. Only when you will do something that will make us to reason your matter. When we tell you to sit at home, when you hear any sit at home from our prime minister and you disobey it, that one, if you collect that one, now you know because now you use your hand find that problem and now you go use your